Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you if you have a Samsung dryer and you're getting a DO error. So a DO error just simply means that the door is open. You're trying to do something, but the door is open. So all you need to do to fix this error is to close the door. And you just want to make sure when you close the door, it is possible that you close the door and it looks closed, but it hasn't been totally closed. So the first thing you want to do is just to check and make sure, is it actually fully closed, and there aren't any clothes hanging out like stuck in it, preventing the dryer door from closing properly. And if all that has happened, if you've done all that and you're sure that the door is closed and you're still getting the DO error, the next thing to do is just like a computer that's acting funny. One of the first things you can do to try to fix things is just to do a hard reset on it, which is just to cut power to the machine, either unplug it or turn it off with the circuit breaker, leave the power disconnected for 30 seconds to a minute, and then reconnect power and see if that gets rid of your error. So if you've tried all those things, you should be able to remove this error and get back to drying. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.